Dear students, in this video we will solve the live English question from the lesson The Tempest. And before we start, आप लोगों के लिए एक अनाउंसमेंट है कि मैंने 9th क्लास के इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट के हर लेसन के हर क्वेश्चन और आंसर का एक पीडीएफ और ई बुक तैयार किया है, जिसको आप खरीद सकते हैं, परचेज कर सकते हैं। अगर आप उसको खरीदना चाहते हैं तो लिंक इसका आपको पहले कमेंट में मिलेगा। Now we will start the video and we will start with the chit chat question, and the first chit chat question is, do you like to travel? So answer is yes, I like to travel. And if you do not like to travel, then you will write no, I don't like to travel. Second question is, how do you like to travel? So answer is, I like to travel by train with my family. A question is, which is the nearest place to which you have traveled? So answer is, the nearest place to which I have traveled is Nalganga Dam. B question is, which is the farthest? So answer is, the farthest one is Kerala. Third question is, have you ever traveled by an airplane? So answer is no, I have never traveled by an airplane. Fourth question is, what do you like to carry with you when you travel? So answer is, I like to carry my mobile, some comic books and a lot of snacks when I travel. Fifth question is, what souvenirs do you like to bring back from your travels? So answer is, I like to bring the miniatures of the famous buildings from the place that I have visited. Next question is, observe the tourist leaflets given on the page 114 and answer the questions. So question A is, which places do these leaflets describe? So answer is, these leaflets describe Sindhudurg and Taduba National Park. B question is, what are the main points given in each leaflet? So answer is, the main points given in each leaflets are: first, name of the place with brief description; second is location; third is history; fourth is languages; fifth is the best season or time to visit; sixth is where to stay; seventh is how to get there, by air, by road or by rail; eighth is sites or sites nearby; ninth is attractions. C is, how can one reach Tadoba? So answer is, we can reach to Tadoba either by air or by bus or by train. D question is, which is the best season to visit Tadoba and why? So answer is, from 15 October to 15 June, or the hot summer season is the best season to visit Tadoba because mammals come nearer to water sources. E is, list tourism related words, example tourist, booking, etc. So answer is, travel, vacation, holidays, hospitality, trip, resort, sightseeing, passenger, cruise ship, hiking, boating, riding, destination, guide. Second question is, prepare a tourist leaflet for a historical place or a hill station using the following points. So first point is place. So place is Chikaldhara. Second point is special feature. So Chikaldhara is the sole hill resort in the Vidarbha region of Maharashtra state. It also featured in the epic of Mahabharata. This is the place where Bhima killed the villainous Kichaka in a Herculean bout and then threw him into the valley. It thus came to be known as Kichakadara. Chikaldara is its mispronunciation. Melghat Tiger Reserve, which includes the Gogamal National Park; Gavilgarh Fort; Bhimkund, where Bhima washed from his hand the blood of Kichaka; Forest Garden Wildlife Museum. Distance 229 kilometers from Nagpur city. How to go there? By road. So nearest city are Paratwada, Amravati, Akola, Betul, MP and Khandwa, MP. By train, nearest railway station is Amravati, Akola. Accommodation, there are many hotels and lodge in the city. Food, there are many restaurants and snack shops near to every tourist spot that serve regional Maharashtrian dishes. Climate, Chikaldara has an annual rainfall of 154 centimeters. Temperature varies from 39 degrees Celsius in summer to 5 degrees Celsius in winter. The best time to visit is from October to June. Third question is, if you want to become a tourist guide at the following places, which languages will you need to learn? So at Ajanta, you will need to learn Marathi, Hindi, English and Urdu. And at Belgavi, you will need to learn Kannada, Konkani, Marathi, Hindi, Urdu and English. At Delhi, you will need to learn Hindi, English and Urdu. And at Tarkali, you will need to learn Marathi, Hindi and English. Fourth question is, imagine you are a tourist guide at A. Sindhudurg, B. Tadoba. Write 2 sentences each about the following points to help foreign tourists. So first we will write about Sindhudurg, and the first point we will write is about the place. So points we will cover: history, languages spoken, special attractions. So answer is, it is an historical fort built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj that is located in the sea. People can understand Marathi, Hindi, English, and temples of Maruti, Bhavani, Chhatrapati Shivaji are the main attractions. B point is food. So points are specialty, local delicacies, options, so Indian or continental. So answer is, there are many restaurants that serve the Indian food and especially Marathi cuisines, but you can get some continental dishes as well. C point is shopping. So the points are authenticity of the local artifacts, price and variety. So answer is, you can shop at Sindhudurg. There are many artifact shops. Second place is Taduba. So first point is about the place, history, languages spoken, special attractions. So answer is Taduba Andhri Tiger Reserve is Maharashtra's oldest and largest national park. People can understand Marathi, Hindi, English and tribal languages. And tiger, panther, bison, sloth bear, hyena, jackal, wild dog, sambar, leopard and barking deers are the main attractions. B point is food, specialty, local delicacies, options, Indian or continental. So answer is, you can try many Maharashtrian dishes over there and their specialty is the tribal food. C point is shopping, authenticity of the local artifacts, price and variety. So answer is, you must check the authenticity of the local artifacts. Their price may vary from other places and there are many varieties of shops as well. Fifth question is, prepare an attractive tourist leaflet for your native place in English as well as in your mother tongue. So in answer we will write only in English and you will have to translate this leaflet into your mother tongue. So we will write about Lonar. So first point is location. It is located in the district of Buldana and it is famous for Lonar crater and Lonar lake. Languages. So languages are Marathi, Hindi, Urdu and English. The best season to visit is from November to February because it can get very hot in other months. Where to stay? There are some hotels and lodges in the city. So how to get there? Lonar is situated around 360 kilometers from Nagpur and the nearest railway station are Malkapur, Shegaon and Bhusawal. It is also well connected with roadways. Attractions: Lonar crater, Amber lake and temples. Sites nearby: there aren't many sites around the city. Sixth question is, suppose a foreigner comes to visit your place and you have to accompany him for sightseeing. Prepare a dialogue between you and the foreigner. So in answer we will write the dialogue and first we will start with us or me. Hello, welcome to Lonar and this is the lake that made Lonar famous. Foreigner: oh great, tell me something about this lake. Me: this lake was formed by a small meteor. Foreigner: interesting. Is there any other places to visit in Lonar? Me: oh yes, Lonar crater and temples are very famous. Shall we go there? Foreigner: definitely, let's go. Seventh question is, using the internet, find the following information about a place you wish to visit using the following points. So in answer we will write about Darjeeling and we will write the place I want to visit is Darjeeling. So distance from your place is 2000 kilometers. Available modes of transport. So by air the nearest airport is Bagdogra airport at 90 kilometers. By trains the nearest railway station is New Jalgaipuri. Accommodation facilities. So there are many hotels in the city. Historical facts. So the city is known for its hill stations and tea gardens. Climate. The temperature ranges from 0 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. Famous site: Kanchenjunga Mountain, Tiger Hills, Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park, Darjeeling Toy Train are the famous sites. So these were the questions and answer from live English of that lesson The Tempest. आई होप कि आप लोगों ने इस वीडियो की मदद से सब क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स लिखे होंगे। अगर आप लोगों का कोई डाउट हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर पूछिए। वीडियो आप लोगों को अच्छी लगी हुई तो इसे लाइक ज़रूर कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ में शेयर कीजिए और इसी तरह की इन्फॉर्मेटिव और एजुकेशनल वीडियोज़ के लिए मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। आई विल सी यू इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो।